Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To install Gparted for disk partition management, run the following command. Once the Gparted is installed, go into your desktop. There you will see the icon of Gparted. Just click on it and it will be launched. Now you can start to work with Gparted. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.